Alright, so I'm sitting in a 2016 Forester, and just to show you how to reset your maintenance notifications, all you're going to do is use this toggle switch down here. You have your up arrow, down arrow, and then select button there. And then you're just going to look up at the top screen here, and I'm going to scroll down using the arrows until I get to this screen, and it says pull and hold set button to move to the selection screen. So I'm just going to pull and hold on that middle button until that top screen changes. And then here I have time and date, so I'm just going to hit the downward arrow until I get to maintenance, and then again I'm going to use that middle button to select that. And now here is where I can actually go in and manually enter your next oil change date, but instead we're just going to actually clear out the maintenance. So I'm going to use the down arrow, and I can either go to maintenance schedule and set that in, or I can turn on and off the notifications completely. But I think what we're going to do for yours, because it's going to be off a little bit just because we're resetting it a little bit after you had picked up the car and the first oil change had already been done. So I'm just going to scroll down to clear all settings, and when I select that again using the middle button, it's going to say, is it okay to eliminate all settings? And then I'm going to use the downward arrow to select yes. So when that's highlighted, now I can hit the middle button, that's the set button, and now everything is taken out there. You can also just go up here, and if you want to select that one, you're going to press the enter button now that it's highlighted, and it's set for off already, but just by using the down arrow, you can set that in since it's already on. Set that in, and that just tells us that the maintenance notifications are off. And then to go back, I'm just going to scroll down using the arrows, select the one that's highlighted, and then I'm going to get out of this screen as well, so I'm just going to keep going down, select the go back, and now I'm back to that main menu where I can cycle through to look at whatever screen you prefer. Alright, I hope that was helpful.